Hello, welcome back. Okay, so now what?
Welcome back, ma'am. We are disconnected again and again.
Yes, now I decided that I will place a table in front of me,
again and again.
then I will show you what I wanted to show you. Okay.
I am getting really mad for my.
Okay, guys, give me the pencil. Right, guys, what we were doing, as I was telling you that there are 4 kinds of tenses: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. And the number that I was talking about is 1, 4, 3, 4, right? 1 will be with the indefinite, 4 will be with the continuous.
Ma'am, write this.
No, you already have this table. 3 will be with the perfect.
Okay,
And 4 will be with the perfect continuous, right? And what is this one?
I can't see the board.
Don't
Is
see the
there
board.
a board?
See towards the screen, and there is a table that I am showing you. Don't talk silly. Can't see the board. Where is the board that you can
No,
see?
we can't.
Can you see this table that I am showing you, Sina?
I can't see a board.
Don't leave the board. Can you see this table that
I can see.
Okay, then don't see.
I can't see
Don't see. No need to see.
your table at all. Also.
Okay.
Your table.
Wait.
Where is the table?
Now you will know where is it. Okay, guys. So
I see it.
1, 4, 3, 4 means first form of verb with the indefinite, fourth form of the verb with the continuous, third form of the verb with the perfect, and fourth form of the verb with the perfect continuous. Right?
Perfect continues.
Yes. Now, Hafsa,
Yes.
please turn on your camera. Hafsa, please turn on your camera, and Azan, you also. Bisma, please, you also. Now, Urdu recognition. Urdu recognition means that for the indefinite, the Urdu recognition is ta hai, ti hai, te hai. No, Bisma, I cannot hear you.
Ti hai.
Right. If at the end of the sentence there is ta hai, then there is indefinite. If at the end of the sentence there is raha hai, rahi hai, then it is continuous. And if at the end of the sentence there is chuka hai, chuki hai, then it is perfect. And if at the end of the sentence there is raha hai, rahi hai plus, if there is any timing, then it will be present perfect continuous. Okay, guys. Now we are moving towards helping verbs. As you know that I told you, indefinite have the helping verbs do and does. But if we are making, Hafsa, please turn on your camera. But if we are making a simple sentence, then there will be no helping verb for the indefinite. For the continuous, the helping verb will be is, am, are. For the perfect, the helping verbs will be has, have. And for the perfect continuous, the helping verbs will be has been, have been, right? And fourth form of the verb will be used. As I have written here, 1, 4, 3, 4. 1 in front of the indefinite, 4 in front of the continuous, 3 in front of the perfect, and 4 in front of the perfect continuous. Now, one more thing that is in indefinite, it is S or ES. If we are making a sentence with he, she, it, then there will be S or ES with the form of the verb. And if we are making a sentence with I, we, you, they, then there will be no S or ES. Now, all of you take your notebooks, and what you have to do is you have to make a sentence of school and make this sentence in indefinite. S C H O L. Make a sentence of school, all of you, and present indefinite. Yes. Yes. Make a sentence of school, all of you. Take a pencil and notebook in your hand. And
Ma'am,
it should be in the indefinite. Yes. It should be in indefinite. Take a pencil and notebook in your hands and make a
he
sentence.
goes to school.
No, write it first. Do not say it. First write it and then tell me what you write. Sila, everyone, take a pencil and notebook in your hands and make a sentence of school in present indefinite. Hafsa, please turn on your camera. Sila, you also please make a sentence of school in present indefinite, okay? Write it on your notebook. Everyone, very good.